What's up, guys? Welcome to my video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm really excited because today is actually my first official YouTube video. My name is Yessie Anai, aka Anai Artistry on my professional IG. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna actually be showing you guys how to create this look using a few of some really awesome palettes. So if you guys are sitting at home bored like I am, hopefully this video and the next videos to come can entertain you guys a little bit, you know, take your mind off of all of the things going on in the outside world. I know that right now things are pretty dark and cloudy, and I kind of want to distract you guys along with myself and really create some colorful, awesome content. I love makeup, I love color. So if you guys want to join me today, I'm going to be using my Lorac Cosmetics Artistry palette. I'm going to be using the bluer shades down here on my eyes and for the blending on my face. And for the actual paint, because there is paint on my face, I'm going to be using the Mehron Paint Artistry book. It's got all kinds of super fun colors. I was so excited when this came in the mail and I ordered it. They look something like this. The color story is amazing. The pigment is amazing. The payoff is amazing. The blend is amazing. They are amazing. So I'm actually really excited that I actually got to play with these and on camera and show you guys this fun little look. I figured, you know, I put this little look together. Hope you guys like it. So without further ado, please enjoy. I was excited but also nervous. This is definitely a different thing for me being in front of the camera, but yeah, enjoy this look, guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the first side of my face. I figured it would just save some time because I feel like there's going to be a lot of detail into this look. So I'm going to go ahead and start by applying the concealer or the primer to my lid. Okay, so I'm dipping into the lighter shade of this palette, which is Pool Party, this little light color right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that over the lid, all over the lid. Okay, so I applied the product pretty evenly along my eye. I like how it looks. And so next I'm just gonna start blending slightly upwards in a circular motion. And I'm gonna start from my tear duct or the beginning of my eye this way and literally just start in circular motions. Up and out. Okay, so now with the second color, and by the way, this is it's a little bit darker than Pool Party. It's called Shy right here. It's more of like a darker tone, but it's super beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and use that to darken up the look. So make sure your brush is coated, and we're gonna go in and put it right in the crease. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with our lighter color Pool Party, and we're gonna go ahead and start incorporating that into the blue to bring that color back to life again. So go ahead and start right where Shy ended and then start blending. And this color's super soft, so it's okay if you just, you know, kind of go pretty freely with it. And now we're gonna go back in with the darker shade, because sometimes once you blend a lighter shade in, it can really lose, the darker shade can really lose its pigment. So we're gonna go ahead and just reincorporate that in there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and today I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Liquid Velour, Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. We're gonna go ahead and take some in the palm of my hand, or I'm gonna go ahead and take some in the palm of my hand, and the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this super teeny tiny detailing brush from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill collection, and this is the JH42. It's super rubbed out because that's how long I've used it, but we're gonna take a little bit from the back of my hand. What I like to do, and what makes it honestly a lot easier for me, hopefully I'm able to translate this on camera, and maybe if I do it this way it'll be easier, but I like to look straight into my mirror and literally just move upwards rather recklessly. So now that we have a pretty good guide, we can go ahead and just follow through with the rest of the white color. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take my deeper shade, Shy, not Sky, Shy, and I'm gonna pack it on and meet it right at where the white meets. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start doing circular motions. Okay, so now with our lighter shade Pool Party, take some of that and start putting it right at the meeting point of those two colors. Okay, now time to curl our lashes and do our liner. Okay, just enough to give them a little bit of support. So we're gonna go ahead and take our eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. Okay, let's do this. Now I'm gonna take my lash and put it right on. Next, I'm going to be doing the under eye using the same two shades of blue that I was using on the upper. So I'm going to go ahead and take Shy and put it right below my waterline. Okay. Okay. Next, the lighter blue Pool Party. So again, we're just going to take that white pigment and apply it right on the waterline. Okay. Next, it's time for concealer. And I'm using the Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna coat my real lashes without actually extending to the falsies. Okay, that completes this eye look. Psych. I'm gonna go ahead and put some white on my brow. Next, we're going to contour the face quickly but efficiently. We're going to start by placing our brush at the hollows of the cheek and in circular outward motions, picking up the brush and moving outward. I like to contour my chin a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and start down here, making sure there's enough coverage to give me a little like face, if you know what I mean. Probably not. And then the forehead. I don't know why I like to hold my brush super close when I'm doing my forehead. I need to stop that, but it's a hard habit to kick. Now that my forehead is finished, I'm going to go ahead and lightly contour the nose and start chiseling out my nose contour. Okay, so first things first, foundation can be really easy to move once you start adding layers and layers and layers and layers. It's really easy for the layers to kind of start mixing together. So I'm going to take my setting powder, swirl it around, and just start at my nose and really start packing in that setting powder. So we're going to go ahead and take our lightest shade of blue and start applying that right on our cheeks, or right on my cheeks, excuse me. Now we want this to serve as sort of a base for the darker color because this is going to be a gradient. Next, we're going to take the darker blue and add it right to the top of the cheeks. So with my back to my Lorac Artistry palette, I'm going to take the shade Shy and I'm literally just going to start filling in the blue. Now with my lighter shade Pool Party, let's go ahead and just start blending downward. And now comes the fun part because we are going to create clouds. So I'm going to take a regular kind of precision brush, and this is the Morphe M224, and I'm literally going to dip it, put it in the white paint, and start going to work on my clouds. Alrighty guys, we're almost done with this look. Thank you for hanging in there with me. I was a little freaked out there for a minute. So let's go ahead and finish this up. I'm gonna actually do a pretty neutral nude lip to go with this look. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Dainty Days. Matte Lip Liner in Dainty Days. And I'm gonna begin at the top and start outlining. And I'm literally just gonna take one of my Glitter Books lip glosses. This one is in Celeste. And just use a little bit to give my lips some shine. Alrighty guys, that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being patient. Please follow me on social media. I'll go ahead and link both down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, bye guys.